Embark on a journey of curiosity with us. What fascinating questions are we exploring today?
If your Kenmore dishwasher is not heating up, it could be due to several issues, such as a faulty heating element, high-limit thermostat, or a problem with the control board. First, check the heating element for visible damage or continuity with a multimeter. If it's intact, inspect the high-limit thermostat, which prevents overheating. It should also show continuity. If both are functioning, the issue might be with the control board, which requires professional diagnosis. Always disconnect power before attempting any checks or repairs for safety.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.